Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Muhammad Afif Jazimin bin Azman and I'm from Group 2. I would like to present the slide about automatic lemah benar machine. The introduction of automatic lemah benar machine is first, in the end Ramadan, most Malaysians look for lemang as an initial preparation before celebrating Eid. Secondly, many sellers take the opportunity to sell lemang by using traditional methods in the manufacture of lemang. Third, all methods need open areas and because it emits a lot of smoke. Next, because of this, the idea of making an automatic lemah benar machine that is more user-friendly and improve the productivity in lemang production. The last introduction is this project purposely to reduce the use of fire and consume of wood because our project only using the fire from liquid petrified gas. The next slide is objective of automatic lemah benar machine. Firstly, innovate existing lemah benar products to increase the production rate of lemah. Next, create an adjustable handle tool for the user's suitability to hold the lemang during the burning process. Besides, provides a lemang benar method that reduces air pollution. The last objective is provides a lemang burning method that can burn lemang evenly. I will pass the next slide to one of my group member which is Encik Zikri.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Muzaffar Zikri bin Sulaiman. My matric number is AB20007. And now I will present about proposed activity and role of each member. Let's start about proposed activity. This proposed activity is reduce the cost of raw materials which is charcoal by using a gas stove as paper. Currently, our ideas for this lemang vase is made for the standard size of bamboos only. But for the future, an adjustment will be made on the sizing of the lemang vase burner, so variety size of bamboos can fit on it. The main reason we made this project is to facilitate the public and to prevent the ecosystem in the country from being affected. Based on our observation, the traditional way of burning lemang is quite complicated and unsafe as it burns openly and emits a lot of smoke. This innovation able to solve the problem faced by users when burning lemang due to this machine can save both time and manpower needed. The design of the machine can reduce times for the lemang baking process as well as facilitate the process of turning the lemang for the purpose of cooking lemang perfectly. This product also has advantage such as the lemang will always rotate and this allows it to cook evenly. It can manage the temperature and avoid the emergence of wine in the combustion process. As a result, in this invention, the productivity rate of burning lemang may be increased. The amount of glutinous rice and coconut milk inserted in each cylinder can be predetermined so the lemang will cook evenly. The machine design does not need a large space for the lemang burning operation since its cooking does not utilize open flames. Next, I will present about roles of each member. The first one is Muhammad Imanuddin bin Mohidam. His metric number is DB200078. His roles in this group is group leader and managing director. His responsibility is monitor all the project activities until complete. The second one is Emmanuel Ashley Anak John. His metric number is DB200153. His role in this group is group leader assistant and production manager. His responsibility is monitor all the project activities and doing all fabrication work. The third one is Muhammad Luqman Hakim bin Sabri. His metric number is transport manager. His metric number is DB200194. His roles in in this group is transport manager. His responsibility is manage transportation to bring all the material from the supplier. The fourth one is Muhammad Faiz bin Muhammad. His metric number is DB200129. His role in this group is transport secretary. His responsible is assist transport manager in transportation to bring all the materials from supplier. The fifth one is Nufakira binti Muhammad Fazli. Her metric number is DB20040. Her role is in the group is a graphic designer. Her responsibility is doing product and advertisement in all social media. The sixth one is Anis Auni bin Rozikin. Her metric number is CB200084. Her role in this group is document controller, and her responsibility is find the hardware to supply the project material with minimum budget. Next is Debbie Tupang anak Andrew Emang. Her metric number is AB200009. Her roles in this group is document controller assistant. She responsibility to assist document controller to find the hardware to supply the project material with minimum. Next, one Muhammad Hazim bin Wanzain. His metric number is DB20089. His role in this group is wedding supervisor, and his responsibility to train and carry out joining and cutting process. Next is Amir Hakim Adha bin Azmi. His role is weather. His responsibility to assist a wedding supervisor doing joining and cutting process. The next one is Ahmad Muzaffar Zikri bin Sulaiman. His metric number is AB20007. My roles in this group is as a weather. My responsibility to assist wedding supervisor doing joining and cutting process. The next one is Muhammad Fidaus bin Muhammad Fuad. His metric number is DB2000176. His role in this group is blasting and painting, and his responsibility to assist wedding supervisor in blasting painting activities. The next one is Muhammad Zaini bin Abusman. His metric number is DB2000173. His role in this group is non-destructive testing technician. His responsibility is doing final visual inspection And the last one is Muhammad Afiz Jasmin bin Azman. His metric number is CB200075. His role is non-destructive testing assistant. His responsibility is to assist NDT technician final visual inspection. That's all for me. So I will pass to my member, that is Hazim.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Muhammad Azim bin Wan Zain, and I'm going to present about delegation of tasks and Gantt chart. Okay, for the first, I'm going to present about delegation tasks. For the first step, we do proposal preparation. After finish the proposal preparation, we do the material selection, such as list of the material used, project sketch, review the objective, and evaluate the design. After finish the material selection, we make an improvement to our proposal, such as evaluate every subtopic and ensure it based on the project. After finish all of that, we begin to project presentation. After finish the project presentation, project executive will collect all the material, prepare the material list. After finish all of that, we begin our task A, such as cutting process, welding process, and joining process. After finish the task A, we make an visual inspection. After finish visual inspection, we run the project to make sure it works finely. Next, for the task B, we make an improvement in safety and friendly user. After that, painting and blasting, and the last, joining process. After finish the task B, the project is completed. Next, for the Gantt chart, for the week 1 and week 2 of March, we still not begin doing our proposal. We start at the week 3 of March. The activity is ice breaking session and formation of group members. On the week 4, proposal discussion with lecturer, and on week 1 of April, we make the proposal preparation, and the week 2 of April, we do the material selection, and the week 3 of April, make an improvement to our proposal, and week 4 of April, present the project to the lecturer, also project executive. Next, on the week 1 of May, we do the cutting process until week 3 of May, and week 4 of May, we do the welding process until week 1 of June. On the week 2 of June, we do the joining process, visual inspection, and run the project. Next, on the week 3 of June, we make an improvement to our project and start painting and blasting process. Okay, and week 4 of June, we start to make the joining process of the parts, and after that, the project is complete. Okay, for the next subtopic is resources and total budget needed. For the total of the resources we need, all of that is 12 items, but with a different quantity. For the first component is mild steel, and we need quantity of 1, and number 2 is zinc, we need the quantity is 1. Number 3, mild steel plate, we need the quantity is 1. Number 4, bolt and nuts, we need 12. The quantity of the bolt and nuts is 12. Number 5, speed controller, we need 1. Number 6, motorcycle chain, we need 1. Number 7, bearing, we need 12. Number 8, saga power window, we need 1. Number 9, sprockets, we need 12. Number 10, my steel pipe, we need 1. Number 11, stainless steel clamps, we need 12. Number 12, high pressure gas stove, we need 1. So the total budget needed to buy resources is Rm 208 and 60 cents for mechanical costs, plus 121 ringgit and 12 cents for raw material costs, plus 36 ringgit and 80 cents for consumable costs, plus 60 ringgit for welding inspection material. So the total of that is 436 ringgit and 52 cents. Next, after finish all the tasks, so this is our project illustration. That's all for me. Thank you. So I'm gonna give to the next presenter to continue.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Imaduddin bin Muidam, and today I would like to present about the expected outcome for our project. For the first expected outcome is this prototype solve the problem of the traditional lemang making process. Second, this prototype is affordable and yet has a multifunctional usage. And third, this prototype can make a large quantity of lemang at the same time with the efficient rate. And then lastly, this prototype function contribute less impact to the environment. And for the conclusion, we can say the result of the analysis obtained found that the project has been successful, produced and can be used with some advantage over traditional lemang burner. We ensure that objectives are achieved, can burn lemang quickly, can reduce air pollution, can burn lemang in open or closed places. The result obtained from the questionnaire show that lemang sellers are satisfied with this automatic lemang burner machine. They also argue that this product saves energy, work and time compared to the old method used. The analysis of the study finding for the first objective show that almost 100% of consumers agree that the resulting product benefit the target group. Among the suggestions that can be given are resized to be more efficient, add another sensor device if it gets too hot, and use heat-resistant fabric to wrap the barrel. Therefore, with the problem faced, the idea arose to solve the problem by producing this project.